Hi everyone, my name is Shivon and I am from Fancy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create these very on-trend big soap brows right here. And to do that I'm going to be using my lovely assistant, which is my fancy Nala mirror, which is brandly new released, and it is just so beautiful and so chic. The mirror itself comes with a really sturdy stand, and the actual mirror itself, which is something that I find incredibly useful, is actually detachable from the stand with an easy magnetic click. Ta-da! So you actually have 3 light settings with this mirror, which I think is amazing, especially because you can take it off the stand. I just think that's incredible. So the first light is, you just tap the little power button, you get a white light, which is really good for like a neutral lighting situation. And then you also get a neutral daylight light, which I find really useful, especially if you want to check that your makeup is blended correctly. And then my favorite is the soft, warm lighting right here. And I just feel like this really illuminates your face. Hello. Not only that, but it also comes with a 10 times zoom mirror, which you can literally just attach to the middle of the mirror and the magnet will hold it in place. And this little guy right here is a 10 times zoom, so you can get right up close and personal. And I tell you, you will see all the stray hairs up in there. This is really handy for getting those super fine details and really seeing into what you're doing, whether it's plucking a stray hair, which comes into play when doing my soap brows. And I also want to mention, as I am an eco warrior by heart and by nature, I also want to let you know, as an eco warrior myself, that this mirror is very eco-friendly. It doesn't come with batteries or anything like that that's gonna kind of add waste to the environment. It's actually rechargeable. You just simply plug your little USB, which comes with it, into your laptop or any USB port, and it will charge up for you. Okay, so I've got my magnifying mirror. Obviously I have my makeup on, but I'm going to go back in time and show you how to create these soap brows using this little mirror and the bigger mirror right here. So without further ado, let's just get started. Hi everyone. Okay, so let's fluff up these brows. So I'm taking the magnifying side of the mirror and I'm just showing you all the different angles. And I'm going to use this as my handy little assistant to pluck those stray hairs, which I always like to do just before I do a soap brow, because the soap really does pick up every single hair on your face. So it's really good to get up close and personal. And here I'm just choosing the light setting that I want to go with. That's the one I've decided to go with. Now I'm just popping the mirror onto the stand just to show you how it kind of pops on there with the magnetic touch. I decided to take the mirror off the stand just so you can see what I'm doing. Now for soap brows you can use a variety of different products. You can use actual soap, more of a tinted soap-based product, or a normal soap brow product. I'm going with a tinted one just because it's an all-rounder and it adds that colour to my brows. I spritz my brush with a little bit of some setting spray. Water will do, that's absolutely fine. I'm just pulling up the brow hairs with the spoolie and then using my finger to flatten them down. And I find when doing this, patience is key. Just keep on going and don't worry about the excess product that's around your brows, because I will clean it up in a moment. Because this is tinted, it will look a little bit crazy, so I'm taking some micellar water on a cotton bud, paper of course, so it is eco-friendly. I'm just going to clean up my brows, going underneath the brows and just creating that really nice sharp look to the brows, just so I don't also have all the soap brow product all around there looking messy. So you can see the difference. Definitely worth cleaning it up. And also makeup doesn't stick very well on top of soap, so it's definitely good to do this first. And now I'm just going to pop on a full face of makeup. See you in a second. And I am back with a full face of makeup on, complete with my soap brows, and I used my lovely Nala assistant over here to really help me get fine, up close and personal to all of the details. And I must say my brows look unreal and very bushy and in trend, which definitely goes with kind of really dramatic makeup looks, which are definitely right up my street. I would definitely recommend checking out the Nala if you want to get really fine and up close into your brows and get every single stray hair. So definitely go ahead and check it out. Thank you so much for watching my little soap brow tutorial with the fancy Nala mirror, and hopefully I shall see you soon. Bye!